Yes, yeah, welcome back to this video. So in this video you learn how to short or place a short order in futures, derivative, perpetual, whatever you know it as. So all you have to do is to come to the demo section. So we recommend you use the demo as a new trader, then go to derivative and click on the pair that you see in the signal we provided in the Telegram channel. So you're going to see the name of the pair up here. Then you're going to see the entry price, which is limit order. You see the stop loss and you see the take profit. So ensure you enter all of this accurately. Okay, so let's go over to Bybit. Okay, so we recommend Bybit because it's easier for new traders. All right, so let's say we want to short XRP, for example. So we click on XRP, then we click on short. So this is short right here. Okay, so the next thing is to enter the entry price, which is here. We enter entry price here. Okay, so let's say the entry price is 2.084. Let's say that's our entry price. So the next thing is to enter the quantity you want to trade, and then the next thing is to enter the take profits and the stop loss price. So you can see the box for TP and SL. So if it is not checked, make sure you click on that box so that it will open the place for you to enter the TP and SL. So let's say our TP is 1.95. So you're going to see the exact amount you're going to profit if the trade goes in your favor under here. As you can see, that's 134.2. and if the trade goes in your against you, which is the stop loss, so let's assume the stop loss price is 2.12. okay, so you can see the exact amount we're going to lose if the trade goes against us. That's 36. So this is how you set the exact amount you're going to lose or gain whenever you're placing a trade. So let's say this is a stop loss price you see in the trade signal, and this amount is going to be too much for you. So what you can do is to reduce the amount, the quantity you are using. So let's say you just want to risk $20. So you have to reduce this quantity to the amount that we allow you to risk just $20. So as you can see, now this is $28. So you still need to reduce this quantity to the amount that will allow you to risk the exact amount. Okay, this is 23. So let's see, maybe if we use 600, now you can see 21. Okay, so this is very important because it allows you to set the exact amount that you can risk or that you are at peace with risking or losing. So make sure you get this right. Okay, good. This is 19.8, which is almost $20. So this is how you set the exact amount that you risk on a trade so that you don't lose more than you are willing to lose. Okay, so you can watch this video again, make sure you understand it, and then when everything is set, you can now place your order. So the next thing is to click on short. So this is short right here. So click on short. So it's going to ask you these details. Are you sure everything you entered is correct? If you're okay with it, then you click on confirm down here. Okay, all right. So the order has been placed, and you can see it right here. So when price comes back to this entry price, the order is going to trigger and the trade will start running. Okay, so that is how to place your trade on short. See you in the next video.